Young nigga move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope, go.
I don't like it. I love it. So good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. When I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mom was saying us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mom was saying us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mom was saying us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mom was saying us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. I know me.
And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know. This I know. She told me don't worry,